actually have absolutely no idea where we're going on today's exciting instalment of my vlog. This one, Esther FPV, has chosen a spot. She didn't know that was her handle until just now. Yeah, she's chosen a spot, so we're gonna go check it out and see what happens. Swimming. He didn't look impressed. She's quite smart in that. She's like, oh, I know good things to fly in and out of. Let's take that beardy dickhead. Oh.
I'm not gonna disagree.
That was really funny. All of YouTube's gonna think you're a meanie. No, that's actually followed. All of YouTube is definitely gonna take your side. She claims she's not actually ginger. No, I was just going to turn the contrast up so wide that you can't see anything. That's what I usually do. Stick it in Final Cut, go, fuck me, look at my face. And then filter it enough that I don't look completely fucking atrocious. I mean, I still look completely fucking atrocious, just less offensive to your eyeballs.
Probably confidence invested for you to do that.
Nah, well, I mean, there are a lot of guys that are way more ugly than me in this vlog. And they seem to be quite successful, but I think they're actually entertaining as well. So overburden. I've got to be honest, if you left me now, I'd be like, I don't even know how to get back to the car. I don't know. You just had a kink in your antenna. Look at this, mate. Look, she's a fucking FPV pro now. Yeah, I don't know anything about flying drones, so I'm just here to push a DJI around the sky. Well, she went for a wee and she didn't sting a fanny. We found a big old dirt conveyor.
Productive day, I'd say.
Aye. Hold up. We're good. We're good. There looks something bridgy up here.
I was young, I was surviving the times, waiting for my moment, I was destined to shine. Lil Ray had an NXX, I was hoping I'm next, wanting bracelets, never had a rope on my neck, unless I was holding tie chain, rest in peace. Even though that night you flipped on us, you warned us, if you came back and we still in the corners, we goners. Moving on to move your arm and your watch to another time on the block. Cause this 40 side where they said shorty rhyme. Tragedy, he used to come through all the time. I'm talking Juice Crew, not what the word defined. He had a sister named Erin, for sure was fine. That was my first crush. I bought my first mic, I wrote my first verse. I was about 9, I was about mine. Fantasized house buying. Met Paul, he wore some big glasses. Him and Mel Korn took me where G-Rap lived. I was happy just getting some answers.
Esther FPV got stung on the kneecap. Stinging out was a wild, bruv. Wild. Look at this bad boy though, look. Abandoned. It's technically my first abandoned building to fly in. Technically.
Recruits me. Knew they were some millionaires, they ropes with Dookie. Every B-man looking like Touchy, he shoot me. You see, every time Rod didn't show, I get to record demos at attempts to blow. I wonder, could they tell? How did they know? 16 years later, here I go. Trying to get us a deal. G-Rap trying to get us to sign the code chill. But Fly Ty didn't have the contract we wanted. Clark Kent just signed Dobbs, he didn't want us. Russell said I sounded like G, the fronted. Reefing at AC offered me a little money. Shit a little funny, feel a little laughter. Rebel of hip hop coming through a white rapper. My boy MC Search nevertheless took me to Columbia, back then CBS. Chris Schwartz, Rough House, he was the best man. I'm bugging cause the label had just dropped Def Jam. Could you picture Russell needing a check, man? But he's smart, he plotted a plan for Polygram.
So we went out Old Coxwell Way. Cricklade Way. That's the boy, Cricklade. Lots of long grass and not very many spots to fly 5-inch. Got some cool whip footage and some cool DJI stuff, but no 5-inch stuff. So we're gonna cruise on over to the Cheney Manor spot and burn the rest of my batteries. Oh yeah, plus, you know, I've got a chauffeur, which is like, shit, how often does that happen? Usually I've got to mount my camera up on the dashboard and it falls over every episode, and it's just so much smoother,
Take me, I know you want to. It's no secret, not anymore. Make me into your perfect. I know you wanna change a thing or two. That's okay. Your words, they hurt, tearing right through me. Why do I need you to save me? Oh, I gotta work on me. Maybe it's your affection or your deep disconnection. I gotta work on me. Gotta work on me. Yeah, you know, you're my weakness. I can't help it. Not with you. I wonder, how does that make sense? I know you got a lot up your sleeve and I don't want a clue. Your words, they hurt, tearing right through me. Why do I need you to save me? Oh, I gotta work on me. Maybe it's your affection or your deep disconnection. I gotta work on me. I gotta work on me. I gotta go. Flat out of energy. I wanna be free. Gotta work on me. Don't wanna know.